Hi, welcome to You Talk Plus. I'm Song Tang, and this is your go-to channel for fun, lighthearted discussions on all sorts of topics. From trending news and funny stories to quirky ideas and thought-provoking topics, we cover it all. If you're looking for some chill and engaging content, be sure to subscribe.
Good morning. Is this Dr. Smith's office?
Good morning. Yes, this is Dr. Smith's dental office. How can I help you today?
Hi, my name is Linda Lee. I'd like to schedule an appointment for a dental checkup and cleaning.
Of course, Linda. Are you a new patient or have you visited us before?
I'm a new patient.
Welcome. Let me see our availability. When would you like to come in?
I'm available next Tuesday or Wednesday morning.
Let me check. We have an opening on Tuesday at 10:30 a.m. Does that work for you?
Yes, that time works for me.
Great. May I have your date of birth and contact number, please?
Sure. My date of birth is April 15th, 1985, and my phone number is 123-456-7890.
Thank you, Linda. Do you have any dental insurance that you'd like us to note?
Yes, I have Delta Dental.
Perfect. We accept Delta Dental. I will make a note of that. Is there anything specific you'd like the doctor to look at during your visit?
No, just a routine checkup and cleaning.
Okay. You're all set for Tuesday, October 3rd at 10:30 a.m. Please arrive 15 minutes early to fill out some forms. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, that's all. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, Linda. See you next Tuesday at 10:30 a.m. Have a great day.
You too. Goodbye.
If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. This will be very helpful for us. See you in the next video.